So if you're a freelancer, agency owner, working as a contractor, or even a client, then this video is for you. For instance, client hire you or hire your agency. Sometimes they simply say that I need this job to be done ASAP, and we normally tend to say of course we'd love to. But trust me, this is not the right way. And if you want to have a long-term relationship with your client, please don't say yes. Instead, you need to ask, can I know the deadline please? Or you could simply ask, how soon you need this? All I'm just trying to convey is that you need to set a date, a time frame. ASAP means what? It could be tomorrow, a day after tomorrow. It does not say any specific date or time, right? So you need to make sure any specific date and time and try to complete them before that. So it gives you the clear picture to your client and to you as well, because your client knows that when he is going to expect this, and you also know that when you need to complete this. So by adopting this very hack, is going to be very useful for you and for your client. Similarly, if you're a client, you're giving any project to your team members or you're hiring anybody, if you're giving any project, set a deadline that you need this to be on certain date. Don't say that needs to be completed ASAP. It does not say anything, any time frame. If your freelancer or your agency complete that maybe after a week, we still can't say them they are wrong, right? Because you did not set any deadline. So instead of saying ASAP, just set a deadline. I hope it helps. Thank you.